This is going to be your dessert of the summer. It is outrageously delicious and so incredibly easy to make. All you're going to do is take some Oreos. You're going to need 90 total. I use double stuff because they're the best. You dip each one into some milk and then you layer them into the bottom of a 9x13 pan. It's 30 that I used for the first layer. Then you top those softened Oreos with a tub of Cool Whip. Spread it completely, then you repeat the process 2 more times. Again, you're using a total of 90 Oreos. This is the final layer of cookies, and then you spread that third tub of Cool Whip on top. You refrigerate it, and this is how it looks when it comes out. The Oreos are soft, the Cool Whip is creamy, and of course, a little bit of hot push never hurts.